Marianne,
Angeli,
Kylie,
Janica, and Kate.
People love to go in beaches, campings, or any outdoor activities. And we all know that we have things to bring with us when going anywhere, especially in traveling. And having a private changing room is a must.
Public fitting rooms exist, but is it safe? Is it clean? How sure are we?
Is it not difficult for you to take both of your folding changing room and other personal belongings?
Tote bags are commonly used for carrying our essentials, providing a comfortable and reusable alternative bag. It is also appropriate for school or work, as a picnic bag, travel bag, or as a beach bag.
A portable changing room is a foldable changing room that you can take anywhere and change your clothes safely, particularly in public places such as beaches where you want to change your clothes but the bathrooms are full packed. Our research team discovered a solution for this problem, innovating a multi-purpose plus-size tote bag where you can store your belongings and at the same time can be transfigured into an emergency changing room. By this, there is no hassle anymore, especially when you want to skip the crowded or unorganized public bathroom like beaches just to change your vesture. Therefore, it's two-in-one object, which makes it easier to carry wherever you decided to enjoy nature without difficulties.